Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to recover our Gmail account password without recovering email and phone number. We come to learn how to recover our Gmail password without recovering our email and password. So let's start. You open a browser. So I prefer using Chrome. So on Chrome, you type google.com. Yes, google.com. You click enter. google.com. google.com. Good. On google.com, you type email recovery. Yeah, email recovery. So it's Gmail recovery. You type Gmail recovery. So under Gmail recovery, you go to account support. You click on account support. Click on account support. Here, you type on the you type on the Gmail that you want to use your password, or Gmail that you want to recover your password. You want to enter Gmail that you want to recover the password. So you enter your Gmail here. You enter your Gmail here. And you go to next. Good. On next, you go to try a different question. Try a different question. So you click on try a different question. You click on try it. And you go to continue. You click on continue. You click on continue. Here to tell you, and you create the password and confirm the password, and you click change password. Change password. You can change password. Here, if you do that, or when you do that, you can recover your Gmail back. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel if you find this information helpful. Another one, you can recover your forgetting password. You are forgetting, or you are recovering Gmail password. You are recovering Gmail account password. So another way to recover is you open Google Play Store and you go to where the account is. So where the T is, your own will be different. So you click and you go to help and feedback. Help and feedback. You click on help and feedback. And you click on help and feedback. Yeah. It was anyway. Yes. Help and feedback. And you go to contact us. The last one, the contact us. You click. So here you fill in the information. So here say what can we help? What can we help with? What can we help? So you type Gmail recovery. Gmail recovery. Gmail recovery. You type Gmail recovery. Gmail recovery. You click next. Here you type others. Gmail recovery. You see, choose the best option of this issue. So you click others. Good. And under the others, which specific area do you need support for? Here you go to Google Play app. Google Play apps. Google Play apps. You click next. Here 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 it will send you to how to recover Gmail account. How to recover your Google account or Gmail. So you click on read more. You click, yeah, and you click. So here you move downwards. You move downwards to still can't sign in. Still can't sign in. So under still can't sign in, you see create new account. So there you click these tips for account recovery. You click on it. And you click, you see yes, make sure you read through this information. You take your time and read. Take your time and read the information. After that, come back and click account recovery page. You click it. You click it. And you enter your Gmail. That's Gmail. Good. And you enter, you click next. Here, it tell you continue first verify it's you. To continue, first verify it's you. So here you don't have password here. Then click or go to try another way. Yes. Here you try another. But here in some cases you see a password. It will tell you enter the last password you remember using Google account. So your Google account, mostly our Gmail or our Gmail account, Google will tell you enter our like the last password. So at least the last 2 years password. It will provide a space for you to enter. If it didn't come that way and come straight to continue, you click continue. So it will click update. But in some cases, to provide a dialog box for you to enter, so this is how you can recover your password.